Welcome to MTech, where AI meets action. From smart tools to earning tricks, we decode the future, one hack at a time. Subscribe and let's build the future together. AI isn't coming, it's already here. From writing your homework to building websites, AI is doing things that sound impossible. AI that writes like humans. Default text. Let's start with the most popular hack, AI that writes. ChatGPT, Copilot, and Gemini are not just chatbots, they're content machines. Need a blog post? Done. Need a YouTube script? Done. Even professional emails, all in second. Imagine typing, "Write me a viral caption for gaming video," and boom, you get a polished line ready to post. This is why students, freelancers, and creators are calling AI their secret weapon. AI that creates stunning art. Next, HACKAI artists, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and Runway can turn imagination into visuals. Type "dragon flying over Kohat at sunset" and you'll see a masterpiece in seconds. Creators are using this for thumbnails, posters, and even animations. Think about it. No expensive designer, no waiting, just instant creativity. This is why AI art is exploding in 2026. AI that codes for you. Now let's talk about developers. GitHub Copilot and Tabnine are like having a coding partner 24/7. You start typing and AI finishes your function, fixes bugs, and even explains code line by line. Beginners learn faster, pros save time. This is coding in 2026. Instead of spending hours stuck on a bug, you get instant guidance. This means anyone can start coding today with AI support. AI that builds businesses. And here's the real money move. Durable builds websites in seconds. Jasper writes content. Aliva Labs creates realistic voiceovers. Freelancers are selling these AI-powered services on Fiverr and Upwork, earning without heavy skills. Imagine offering, "I'll build your website in 24 hours, but in reality, AI does it in minutes." This is how smart freelancers are scaling their income in 2026. AI isn't just fun, it's a business opportunity. So here's the truth, AI won't replace you, but those who use AI will replace those who don't. From writing to painting, coding to freelancing, AI is your shortcut to success. If you want more hacks, tutorials, and future tech secrets, subscribe to MTech right now. Because the future isn't waiting, and neither should you.